the ultimate baked ham with pineapple. Hey there, holiday chefs. Today, we're diving into a Christmas classic, baked ham with pineapple and maraschino cherries. This dish isn't just delicious, it's a festive centerpiece. Let's cook up some holiday cheer together. For this recipe, you'll need 1 whole bone-in ham, canned pineapple rings, maraschino cherries, brown sugar, Dijon mustard, pineapple juice from the can, optional, honey or maple syrup for extra sweetness, and don't forget patience and a sprinkle of holiday spirit. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Grab your ham and let's score it in a diamond pattern. This isn't just for looks, it helps our flavors sink in deep. Now place your ham in a roasting pan. In a bowl, mix brown sugar, a dash of mustard, and some pineapple juice. This glaze is the secret to a sweet and tangy flavor. Brush this all over the ham. Want it sweeter? Add a bit of honey or maple syrup. Time to play dress up with our ham. Take the pineapple rings and place them on the ham, securing them with cloves. Now pop a cherry in each pineapple ring. It's starting to look like Christmas on a platter. Cover the ham with foil and let it bake. Midway through, baste it with the juices. This step is crucial. It keeps the ham moist and infuses even more flavor. Once your ham is golden brown, take it out and let it rest. This was my grandma's secret. It makes the ham even more succulent. Now, carve it up for a holiday feast. And there you have it, a stunning baked ham with pineapple, ready to be the star of your Christmas dinner. Remember, cooking is about spreading joy. Share this dish with loved ones and watch the smiles light up. Hit like, subscribe, and share your holiday cooking stories in the comments. Happy holidays and happy cooking.